Stomach. As you can see, the upper part of the stomach, this is fundus where the gas is stored. The part of the stomach near the esophagus, this part is called cardia. The part of the stomach near the duodenum, this part of the stomach is called pylorus. It is divided into two parts. The upper part is pyloric anatrum and the lower part is pyloric canal. Near the pyloric canal, one sphincter is present, as you can see. It is called pyloric sphincter. It guards the entry of food between the duodenum and stomach. Now moving towards the esophagus, there is one sphincter between the esophagus and the stomach, that is called gastroesophageal sphincter. The stomach has two curvature, one present on the right side, that is called lesser curvature, and one present on the left side, that is called greater curvature. Mucosa of the stomach is lined by simple columnar epithelium. This invaginate, as you can see like this, to form gastric pits. Gastric pits contain different types of cells which secrete different types of enzymes that constitutes the gastric juice. Gastric pits. It is formed by invagination of mucosal epithelium. Contains different types of cell which secrete different enzymes that constitutes the gastric juice. Cells of gastric pits. First type of cell, that is chief cell or peptic cell or zymogen cell. It secretes inactive enzymes, so it is called zymogens. Their secretions are secretions of chief cell, that is pepsinogen, prorenin in infants, and gastric lipase. Pepsinogen and prorenin are inactive enzymes. They are activated by the action of HCl. It is secreted by second type of cell, that is oxyntic cell or parietal cell. Now moving towards the oxyntic cell or parietal cell. They secrete HCl and Castile intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor is responsible for absorption of vitamin B12. It helps in the formation of RBC. So if there is deficiency of intrinsic factor, there will be less absorption of vitamin B12 and it can lead to anemia. Anemia means decreased hemoglobin. Now the function of HCl. HCl converts the inactive enzyme that is secreted by the chief cell into the active one. Like here pepsinogen is converted to active one, that is pepsin. Prorenin is converted to renin. Renin is active. Renin helps in digestion of milk in infants. Now moving towards the third type of cell, that is mucous neck cell. It secretes mucus which helps in protection of wall of the stomach against HCl. Otherwise HCl will digest its own wall. Now the fourth type of cell, that is enteroendocrine or argentefin cell. It is differentiated into three types of cell: D cell, ECL cell and G cell. G cell secrete gastrin which stimulate the secretion of gastric juice. and D cell secrete somatostatin and it inhibit the gastrin. And the last type of cell, that is ECL cell, it secrete two hormone, that is serotonin and histamine. Serotonin is a vasoconstrictor and histamine is a vasodilator. This is all about the stomach and gastric gland. Thank you for watching the video.